Hello, my friends attending the great conference in Ohio. This is Darrell, Coach D. Andrews, the Workforce Development Motivator, coming to you from a hotel room. I am on the road, but I am looking forward, and I mean this, looking forward to my keynote speech in a few weeks in Warren, Ohio. Let me say this to you because some of you don't know who I am. I've been a workforce development consultant and motivator and impactor and innovator for 24 years. We have inspired and empowered countless agencies, organizations, school districts across the board. And I'm so excited to bring to you a powerful story about the power of employment to change a person's life forever. This story will be one that you'll remember for years to come as kind of a foundation to why employment matters when it comes to transforming lives. So I'm looking forward to sharing that in the keynote. And then a connecting part to it is this, and a big part of our work today is empowering you in the space of self-care. For those of us who are out here trying to make a difference, it's challenging when we're not taking care of ourselves because we're pouring out a lot, but we're not pouring back in. So during my workshop, we're going to give you some real world strategies, not just motivation. We're going to give you plenty of that, but real world strategies to put systems in place to enhance self-care that leads to wellness. We have a saying that we use, and that self-care is a precursor to wellness. So you got to do self-care to get to wellness, and we're going to encourage you to do it as such. So we look forward to bringing energy and synergy to the presentation. I will have my son with me, Darrell Jr., who's an artist, and we'll be talking about some things he's doing there. But I'll tell you one thing, you're going to walk away a changed person. So look forward to the conference, look forward to the interaction, but most importantly, look forward to us coming together to do this collective work of impacting the communities that we serve in Ohio. Take care.